In this lesson, we'll review a standard English convention writing question. And this excerpt refers to question 17. According to Box, a leading Greenland expert, tundra fires in 2012 from as far away as North America produced great amounts of soot. Some of it drifted over Greenland in giant plumes of smoke and then fell as particles onto the ice sheet. So let's focus on this first clause here before the comma. And we can streamline this if we eliminate the non-essential clause. This is just giving extra information about Box. We can also eliminate the prepositional phrase. And now let's read it. According to Box, tundra fires in 2012 produced great amounts of soot. This first clause is an independent, stand-alone clause. It's totally fine. And now we have a comma, and we're linking. Some of it drifted over Greenland in giant plumes of smoke and then fell as particles onto the ice sheet. This is another independent clause. We have an it. We can never link two independent clauses with a comma. That's a comma splice. We have to keep the comma. And so what we have to really do now to link it, we have to turn this independent clause into a dependent clause. I mean, we need to modify. What is the it referring to? It's really the soot. So we're never going to use some of it. That's always creating a comma splice. And so what relative pronoun do we use to turn this into a dependent clause? If it's an inanimate object, we use which. If it's a person, we use who. So I want you to remember the phrase some of which. That's totally fine after the comma. It's modifying, giving extra information about the suit. If it's a person, it'd be some of whom, or all of whom, or none of which. But it's never it, that, or these. That would always create a comma splice, and it's always wrong. And so the answer definitely here is C. We could never have some suit. That creates another comma splice. If we deleted it, some drifted, we don't have a subject here. We need the relative pronoun some of which. The answer here is C.